1.1 practice set, chapter 1, linear equation with two variables. Okay, now we have done the first part. Second part ka first sum we have done. Now second part, second sum. X plus 7y equal to 10, equation number 1, and 3x minus 2y equal to 7, equation number 2. Now 7 and 2 are not the same variable in y, okay, and here it is 1. Now here the variables are not same like the first sum, so what we have to do, what we'll do, multiply equation 1 with 3. Okay, we'll write now multiplying equation 1 by 3. Okay, because 7 and 2 doesn't come in the same table, so here we'll apply for x variable. Okay, so directly we can get 3. So 3 1s are 3, 7 3s are 21, and 10 3s are 30. Now after second, the new equation becomes 3. Okay, will not work with this equation. These are the two new equations now. Now x variable, coefficient of x is 3, and here also coefficient of x is 3, correct, and they both have the same sign. And I told you, what I told you, if sign is same, we will, what we'll do, subtract. S for same, S for subtract. Okay, so we'll subtract equation in the same order we'll write. So first we'll write this equation 3 from means the equation which comes first from second. Okay, 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, and 3x plus 21 is equal to 30. Okay, for subtract we have to leave one line for changing the sign. Plus 3x minus 3x change. Minus 2y minus 21 is what? Minus 23. And this is minus 30. Sorry, 30 minus 7 is how much? 23. Okay, so y is equal to minus 23 upon minus 23. That is, y becomes 1. Okay, now substitute or put whatever you want, you can write. Substitute y is equal to 1 in equation. What's the easy equation here? Equation number 2. The number in the equation in which number are small, we'll put in that, because the calculation becomes easy there. 3x minus 2, so we'll write the equation, then we'll substitute. 3x minus 2y equal to 7. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Sorry, 2 is equal to 7. 3x, 2 go that side, plus 2. So 3x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 upon 3. X is equal to 3. So what's the answer? You will write in this format, x comma y. What is x? 3 comma y is 1. Okay, in this format, this way you can get half marks over here. Half marks is for the final answer. Okay.